Welcome to the channel. I have the opportunity to share with you this product. Thank you to Safe Gun Lock for donating this to the channel. Now, there are many products out there to secure your firearm. Here is just one that is new to the market, and it is made in America. This Safe Gun Lock is approximately 2 pounds. This lock is made of stainless steel, brass, and plastic. You'll see the dial itself and some of the outer parts are made of plastic. The internal components are the metal. As I opened the box, I found the instructions as well as a combination card that listed letters and numbers to give me a unique combination. It's important to note if I ever lost this combination, I could contact Safe Gun Lock support and they will generate a new combination for me. Here are the spacers that you would use for the different types of pistols that you would use to lock your firearm. I will show you what that looks like towards the end of the video. The combination will be A through D, 1 through 9. And using this safe lock feature right there, you twist the dial in place once you have secured the lock, the rod inside of the barrel. And then you use your unique combination that you were provided in your box, and that will secure your firearm. You'll see at the very tip of the rod, there's parts on there that will expand once you insert it into the barrel, preventing you from removing it from the barrel. And that will lock into the chamber, which prevents a round from entering into the chamber. For this review, I will be using my Arex Delta M2.0 9mm handgun. You will see as I insert the rod into the barrel, it does not securely butt up against the barrel to the lock. With varying barrel lengths, the spacers help to secure the barrel front to the lock. You do that by sliding the spacers up onto the rod all the way against the lock. Once in place, I did secure the lock and then set the combination. Securing the safe lock into position at the dial is key. To remove the lock, you reverse the process. You set your combination, you flip the safe lock switch near the dial, and that will allow you to remove the rod from the barrel. One of the many objectives I have for the channel is to bring you interesting products. So please leave a comment below if you've seen this lock before. If you've not seen this before, but still love your feedback. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.